Okay, let's see if those LED ball fit on this truck. Let's go. Okay, my name is Steph, and today we're going to try to install those lights and see if that's going to fit on a 205 Dodge Ram. Those lights, they're supposed to be good for Dodge Ram 202 to all the way 219. Okay, so let's try it now. You just turn it, take it out, et voila, that's going to be the light bulb, you see. Just take it, put it somewhere, and install this guy here. Sorry, I don't see anything. Put it back. Turn it. It's perfect. Let's do the other one. So now it's going to be the other side. Turn, take it, turn, take it out. That's going to be the light bulb. Take it out. Take the other one. Be sure you place it in the right place. Do the reverse. Put it back. Et voila, it's installed. So okay, let's try those lights now. Okay, so they're working, both of them. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. And all the information, I'm going to put a link all the way down. Don't worry for that. Bye bye.